Meet Jason and Lisa. They run a dairy farm and they love it. Using smart cow sensors and advanced herd management software, they've got everything at their fingertips. In fact, they can't imagine their lives without AfiFarm software. And that nightmare scenario is exactly what happened. After a stormy night, lightning strikes, and they find the computer burnt down. Luckily, Lisa was prepared in time and set up the AfiCloud Backup service. How does it work? Simple, actually. AfiCloud Backup restores daily a full backup created by AfiFarm and stores it in the cloud. Lisa can view a confirmation of recent backups using her app. If her computer is hit by lightning, fire, or flood, or just a hard drive failure. After installing AfiFarm on a new PC, they can select the backup date, instantly download it, and they are back on track. Jason and Lisa are back to what they really love, taking care of cows and running their farm. Want to learn how you can secure your farm management data? Visit www.afimilk.com today.